quoted today very clearly. Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, gave specific instruction to someone close to him. I don't know mention the name, because the person knows himself. Instructing him to file action against Simon Ekpa in Finland. And the feedback he got from them was that action has been filed. The feedback he got from them that what action has been filed. To file action against Simon Ekpa on his activities in the southeast. On his behalf, they should file action against him in Finland. He gave that instruction. Put me correctly. The feedback Nnamdi Kanu received from those who gave that instruction, action has been filed. But in fact, nothing has been done. An order he gave. I know he'll be asked soon. And when he come out, everything will be open. Now, for those who are still towing that part of Legion of Bad Wagons, let me say this to you. I am IPOB lead counsel today. I've been handling today, we have over 1,000 cases across the various courts in the southeast in Nigeria, in Abuja here too. We are defending IPOB and members of IPOB. When this criminal element started, I got a different instruction from the leadership of IPOB. It is time for us to start profiling, because once they arrested, I mean deviant groups, when they arrested who are working with Simon Ekpa, and once they arrested and probably 10 other in the police station, SSS or prison, they will write their members of IPOB. Do you belong to IPOB? Yes, we are members of IPOB. Now the leadership now have started profiling. Once you call me or probably send a message to my office, that you're in detention and this, I said, please revert to the leadership. I am not a liar. Today, by that strategy they introduced, we have them in their thousands in prison custody and police detention facilities without nobody asking for their whereabouts. Because Simon Ekpa is giving them directive on what to do. I hope I'm making sense to you. There are many of them today in various detention facilities across the states. Without somebody asking them what is happening, how can we get you out? Because some of them may have been either arrested in the course of enforcement at home, which has been called off by leadership of IPOB and by Nnamdi Kanu too. And they're enforcing. Someone will sleep in Finland and wake up and say and declare total shutdown of the entire health for the 2 weeks. And
what do you think is responsible for Simon Ekpa almost having a field day? You would have thought that government should also explore the diplomatic channel in going after Simon Ekpa. But the guy seems to be enjoying himself.
It's simple. Why it appears not that he's having a field day. He's not having a field day. It appears that he's having a field day in the eyes of people who don't understand what's happening in the secret. Is that the government is aiding them. What is happening in the southeast today?
That's allegedly.
Allegedly, I know what I'm talking about.
There are no
I have
evidence.
to say that I'm aiding them. I will
If I have the evidence,
I will give you the evidence.
I
will give you for evidence. So, why I'm saying that the government is aiding them, not the Nigerian security agency is aiding them. No, I'm saying that. They have every intel. They have intel at their disposal about the workings of Simon Ekpa and his group, including communications, including directives they are giving to their group. They have them in their custody, in their position today. Tell me what they've done with that. Now, let me tell you what's happening. I have mentioned the number of days, the length of the number of days IPOB publicly issued statement distancing the global movement from the activist Simon Ekpa. I've mentioned it here, right? Now, what they've indulged in doing now is that those people, those criminal elements, wherever they are, they find themselves, they will go and probably procure IPOB insignias, like flags, like probably what do you call it, like flags and cap,
flags,
everything. So when they are seen, probably when they are caught, the security agents will come and tell the world that these are IPOB members. How many difference do you know? So, driving home point that these people are IPOB. But thankfully today, we have leading mainstream media like BBC and Rise who have come to reality that look, these are not IPOB. They call them what they call them by their proper names. But the moment to be able to identify that these people are not this, and these people are this, you can be able to attack, to deal with them. But once you know that these people are not this, and out of mischief, they are muddling them up together, because you want to portray IPOB in the bad light before the international community, when in fact there are not people who are doing that. They have all it takes to arrest them. They have all it takes to stop it. But they're happy because of what's happening. They want on the arrest to continue. So, like I believe, strongly believe that it will soon be a thing of the past. Go.
All right.
Subscribe on YouTube at Film Woods TV.